What was withdrawn after the Vellore revolt? A. The authority of the Maulvis. B. New methods and uniform regulations. C. Christian missionary activities. D. The family of Tipu's pension. The correct answer is B. New methods and uniform regulations. In what year was Shivaji born? A. 1630. Born in 1674. Circa 1627. D. 1649. The correct answer is circa 1627. Which ruler reigned from 1463 to 1482? A. Gawar. B. Muhammad II. C. Bahman Shah. D. Muhammad III. The correct answer is D. Muhammad III. Which US president is mentioned in relation to the event on 24 October 1929? A. Woodrow Wilson. B. Eisenhower. C. Roosevelt. D. Truman. The correct answer is D. Truman. Which European power followed the Portuguese into India? A. The British. B. The Dutch. C. The Spanish. D. The French. The correct answer is B. The Dutch. What happened to the old agrarian system in India due to British rule? A. It was reformed and improved. B. It remained largely unchanged. C. It expanded to new areas. D. It collapsed. The correct answer is D. It collapsed. Which countries formed an alliance in 1894? A. France and Russia. B. Britain and Germany. C. Germany and Italy. D. Austria-Hungary and Russia. The correct answer is A. France and Russia. What did warriors fight to protect in battles? A. Their leaders. B. Their cattle. C. Their land. D. Their villages. The correct answer is B. Their cattle. What new dynamic emerged in politics as a result of class movements? A. Suppression of workers' unions. B. Abolition of railroads. C. Decreased focus on voting rights. D. Regulation of service conditions for workers. The correct answer is D. Regulation of service conditions for workers. Which entity is mentioned as having first described the ruins of Harappa? A. Indian National Congress. B. Royal Society. C. British East India Company. D. British Museum. The correct answer is C. British East India Company. Which two groups agreed to self-government in India under the Lucknow Pact? A. Extremists and moderates. B. Congress and Muslim League. C. British and Indians. D. Hindus and Sikhs. The correct answer is B. Congress and Muslim League. Who helped Kattabomman escape with his minister? A. Umthurai. B. Savethaya. C. Nawab of Arrot. D. Edward Clive. The correct answer is A. Umthurai. How far did maritime trade across the Indian Ocean extend? A. From the Middle East to Southeast Asia. B. From China in the east to Africa in the west. C. Only within the coastal regions of India. D. From India to Europe. The correct answer is B. From China in the east to Africa in the west. Which material was used by Egyptians to wrap the body for storage? A. Woolen blankets. B. Papyrus strips. C. Linen cloth. D. Cotton fabric. The correct answer is C. Linen cloth. Which location is associated with the Gudiyam cave? A. Pudukkottai. B. Chennai. C. Pallavaram. D. Maduranthkam. The correct answer is B. Chennai. What did the Madras government not give permission for regarding revenue collection? A. Sending an army to collect revenue dues. B. Meeting Kattabomman in Ramnathpuram. C. Forming a confederacy of rebels. D. Making the Tiruchirappalli Proclamation. The correct answer is A. Sending an army to collect revenue dues. What does the Constitution of India guarantee for women? A. Reserved positions only in government. B. Preferential treatment in certain sectors. C. Equal opportunities in all activities. D. Limited participation in society. The correct answer is C. Equal opportunities in all activities. What was the major Mughal port on the Arabian Sea that Shivaji plundered? A. Diu. B. Surat. C. Mumbai. D. Goa. The correct answer is B. Surat. What is mentioned as being depicted on a Chera coin? A. A lion. B. A bow. C. A trident. D. A horse. The correct answer is B. A bow. Which major commanded the troops that advanced to Tirunelveli in May 1799? A. Major Lawrence. B. Major Bannerman. C. Major Munro. D. Major Stringer. The correct answer is B. Major Bannerman. Who started an institution imparting education to women in 1916? A. A native marriage reformer. B. Rai Saheb Harbilas Sarada. C. Lady Harding. D. A Professor D.K. Karve. The correct answer is D. Professor D.K. Karve. Which entity was formed by the collective Rajput states? A. Maratha Confederacy. B. Mughal Empire. C. Rajputana. D. Deccan Plateau. The correct answer is C. Rajputana. When did the dangers of the provincial administrative system become apparent? A. During the reign of a weak ruler. B. During economic prosperity. C. During the reign of a powerful king. D. During times of peace. The correct answer is A. During the reign of a weak ruler. Who was Muhammad's opponent in the first battle of Tarain? A. Prithviraj Chauhan. B. The ruler of Kannauj. C. Mahmud of Ghazni. D. The ruler of Mathura. The correct answer is A. Prithviraj Chauhan. Who is the author of Harshacharita, listed as a literary source? A. Gunadhya. B. Patanjali. C. Banbhatta. D. Kalidasa. The correct answer is C. Banbhatta. What concept grew with nationalism, leading to an attitude of strong support for one's country? A. Economic dominance. B. Imperialism. C. Colonialism. D. Violent forms of nationalism. The correct answer is D. Violent forms of nationalism. What material was used to make necklaces, armlets, and other ornaments? A. Glass. B. Horsehair. C. Iron. D. Copper. The correct answer is D. Copper. How many wheel years are specifically mentioned in the text? A5, B7, C6, D8. The correct answer is B7. Which book was published by Penguin? A. Europe since Napoleon. B. The Age of Extremes. C. World History in the 20th Century. D. The Oxford Illustrated. The correct answer is A. Europe since Napoleon. What was an initial reason for developing military camps? A. To expand agricultural land. B. To attract new settlers. C. To provide places for army people to live. D. To protect trade routes. The correct answer is C. To provide places for army people to live. How did you score?